Welcome to our video on Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. In this video, we'll be discussing what Ethereum is, how it differs from Bitcoin, and the potential uses for this decentralized blockchain technology. Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications, also known as dApps. These smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. Unlike Bitcoin, which was primarily designed as a digital currency, Ethereum was created to be a platform for decentralized applications. This means that developers can use Ethereum to create their own decentralized applications and run them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum also has its own cryptocurrency called Ether, which is used to pay for transactions and computational services on the network. In this way, it's similar to how Bitcoin is used as a currency on the Bitcoin network. One of the most exciting potential uses of Ethereum is in the area of decentralized finance, or DeFi. With Ethereum, it's possible to create decentralized versions of traditional financial products and services, such as loans, insurance, and more. Ethereum is still a relatively new technology, and there are many potential uses that have yet to be discovered. However, with its ability to enable decentralized applications and its growing ecosystem, Ethereum has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about Ethereum and other blockchain technologies, be sure to subscribe to our channel.